Hi my dear students, welcome to botany classes. In this previous class, we discussed about general characteristic features of the bacteria and classification of bacteria. The classification of bacteria on their properties, like for example, heat resistance, for example, morphology, for example, stain retaining capacity and pathogenicity. The classification of bacteria like morphology, they are bacilli, they are cocci, vibrio, spirillum, like these are the discussed in the previous classes. In this class, in this video, I am going to discuss about an important topic in your examination. The question can be asked 10 marks. Explain ultrastructure of bacteria cell. Or question can be asked for 5 marks. Draw a neat table diagram of ultrastructure of bacteria cell. Question can be asked for 5 marks or question can be asked for 10 marks in your theory examination. Okay, in this class discussed about bacteria, ultrastructure of bacteria cell. In the bacteria cell, there are some parts. Those are, the first one is nucleoid. Second one is cytoplasm, third one is cytoplasmic membrane, and fourth one is cell wall. These are the essential parts of the bacteria. First one is nucleoid, second one cytoplasm, third one cytoplasmic membrane, and fourth one cell wall. And next one is capsule, flagella, villi, and endospores are the other structure. ಇವು ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು, ಇವು ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಾಯ್ಡ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಸೆಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ DNA. One bacteria cell is consisting of only one double stranded DNA is present, and this nucleoid does not having any nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is absent and nucleolus is absent. This DNA is 1 mm in long and it contains loop. Idu length eshide 1 mm long length ide, long structure ide, and when it is condensed it is loop and supercoiled. It is loop and supercoiled. Supercoiled nature alli mix agi idbidutte. Nuclear membrane is absent irutte, nucleolus absent irutte. One bacteria cell alli one single double stranded DNA ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It's clear. The nucleoid in bacteria cell, it is consisting of single double stranded DNA. Single double stranded DNA, it consists 1 mm in long. When it is condensed, it is loop and supercoiled. When it is division takes place of the cell, it may be 2 or more DNA is present, and nuclear membrane is absent, nucleolus is absent, and the growth and replicate by fission, not by mitosis. Idu replication ಮತ್ತು growth ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? fission ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ವೆಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. fission ಅನ್ನೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಾಯ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ cytoplasm. In the bacterial cell, the cytoplasm is a viscous watery. The cytoplasm of bacterial cell is viscous watery or soft gel. Cytoplasm ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It is a viscous watery or soft gel like structure is present, and cytoplasm consist organic and inorganic solutes organic and inorganic solutes and granules. Organic and inorganic solutes and granules and ribosome. Ribosomes ಇದೆ inorganic organic solutes ಇದೆ and very important, the plasmids is present. The cytoplasm of bacteria is viscous, watery or soft gel-like structure and it's consisting of organic and inorganic solutes. And next one is plasmids and ribosomes are present and endoplasmic reticulum absent. Mitochondria is absent. Mitochondria absent ಇದೆ, endoplasmic reticulum absent ಇದೆ, and numerous numbers of ribosomes are present into the bacteria cell. In the prokaryotic bacteria of the ribosome is divides 50S and 30S subunits. We have to just write the cytoplasm of bacteria cell is consisting of. The cytoplasm of bacteria cell is consisting of, you have to just, it is a water, viscous or soft gel-like structure. It consisting of organic and inorganic solutes and granules and numerous numbers of ribosome and plasmids. Okay, and mitochondria and endoplasmic and other cellular organelles are absent in the bacteria cell. It's clear? Like what is plasmid? Question can be asked in your examination for 1 marks. What is plasmid? Plasmid is the cell replicating. Plasmid is the cell replicating double-stranded extra chromosomal DNA. Plasmid is the cell replicating double-stranded extra chromosomal substance present into the bacteria cell. Okay, it is helpful for the at the time of replicating of the chromosomes. It's clear? And next one, move on. Granules. They are volatile granules and another one is lipid granules are present into the bacteria cell. It stored some metabolic nutrients. When it is needs to the energy, when bacteria needs to the energy or starvation condition, these granules are gives to the nutrient for the bacteria. Is clear? It is cytoplasm of the bacteria. And next one is cytoplasmic membrane. The cytoplasm is surrounded by the lies between a boundary of the cytoplasm is called cytoplasmic membrane. The cytoplasmic membrane it arises to the fillus or fimbriae or villi. It arises to the fillus or fimbriae. And next one, the cytoplasmic membrane, next is one layer is present that is called cell wall. That is called cell wall. The cell wall is 10 to 25 nanometer in thickness. 10 to 25 nanometer in thickness. Some of the bacteria, like on the basis of stain retaining, the bacteria is divided into the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The gram positive bacteria having the different chemical composition. Gram negative having the different chemical composition of cell wall. The gram positive bacteria having the peptidoglycan and thioic acid. It's clear? And gram negative bacteria is peptidoglycan and other substance. Next, class we will discuss about what is the difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Here the cell wall is lies next of the cytoplasmic membrane and it was rigid. It was rigid and elasticity in nature. Rigid ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು elasticity in nature ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ and 10 to 25 meter 10 to 25 nanometer in thickness. The cell wall composition is different of the different species. It's clear. And these cell wall surrounded by one gel-like structure. This cell wall is surrounded by one gel-like structure. This is called capsule. This is called capsule. Capsule it is helpful for the protection of the bacteria cell. Cell wall sutta one gel-like capsule formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಲ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇದೆ, DNA ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. These all the things studied into the in your higher classes. Okay, and next one is flagella. The flagella is arising from the cytoplasmic membrane of the bacteria cell. These are the wavy in nature. These are the wavy in nature. The flagella are it is maybe single or it is maybe more than 2 or it is maybe more than 10 or it is maybe at one polar end or it is maybe at both polar end or it is maybe present throughout the bacterial cell wall on the basis of presence of flagella. On the basis of presence of flagella, and it will be divides like monotrichous, and lapotrichous, peritrichous. Mono, lapo and peritrichous. Mono means single flagella. Mono means single. The bacteria consisting of only one flagella. Lapo means the bacteria consisting of two flagella at the both end. Peri means the presence of many flagella throughout the cell wall of the bacteria. It is helpful for movement or motility. One kadinda innondu kade hogokke help madutte flagella. And the cell wall is contains many hair-like numerous structure. They are called fimbriae or it is also called pilli. It is also called pilli. These pilli are two types. One is normal pilli, another one is sex pilli. The normal pilli it is helpful for motility, like same as in filament or flagella, or it is also called as flagella. What flagella function it will be done in the same function done into the fimbriae or pilli. There are two types. One is normal pilli, another one is sex pilli. The sex pilli are present in some species of bacteria. Like these bacteria, it is helpful for attachment of the host. ಆ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲ are two types. One is normal pilla. Normal pilla helpful for the motility of the bacteria cell, and another one is sex pilla. Sex pilla is helpful for the attachment of the on the host cell, and it will be helpful for multiplication of the bacteria. Bacteria multiplication host ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ bacteria ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ multiplication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Like there are two types. One is normal pilla, another one is sex pilla. And next one is like pilla and endospore. Some species of bacteria like Bacilli and Clostridium. Some species of bacteria Clostridium and Bacillus when unfavorable condition occur, it form a rigid cell wall, a thick rigid cell wall around the bacteria, that is called as sporulation. Endospore, that is called as spore agi agutte. When favorable condition, it will be rupture. That process is called as sporulation. Endospore formation agutte. Example Clostridium adi. It's clear. These are the ultrastructure of bacteria. Okay, thank you. One and all.